I think she's a little bit smashed up in the front right there. What do you guys think? Slightly wrecked? Totaled? What, salvage? Man, let's fix her. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This video is gonna get pretty good. We picked up a 2001 NB2 Mazda Miata. We have the first rebuild for the channel. I'm honestly super stoked. I was able to get my hands on this thing and I'm so excited to be able to rebuild this specific car because it is super mint. Let's go ahead and just take her apart. A lot of progress today. Got all the trash parts, so you got the front fender, the hood, and the front bumper. I'm gonna be reusing all of the fog lights off this bumper, but you can see like a lot of the core support. It's not too bent. I honestly think we could honestly salvage this and bend it back as much as good as possible. But if we can't, we'll just have to cut it off like right here, and then just go grab a new core support, and we should be good to go after that. Well guys, I think that's definitely a big success. We used the truck and everything to pull it kind of out, but you guys can see now that that is pretty straight. It's pretty good now. And then what we're gonna do now is kind of bend it back and up slightly, and then we just have to pop this down a little bit and maybe this up slightly, but that is pretty straight now. Well guys, we put the fender, the new headlight, the new front bumper, and new hood on. And as you guys can see right now, this is just a rough mock-up. We definitely have to do some more pulling. It's not too far off, like we're almost there. Getting pretty close here. But I tried to get silver panels for the car just so it matches, because obviously like I could have gotten black, I guess. But these are readily available. So as you guys saw in the last video of the rebuild, it was kind of, the body panels were actually just kind of set on there. Right now, they are, like, everything's bolted down and the car's drivable right now. It definitely needs some more work to be perfect. So obviously we're gonna, over time, like keep doing it, keep pulling it out as much as we can. But I mean, other than that, like it's pretty good. Obviously, like if you guys see the car in person, you can tell that there's something off with it.
Alright boys, we got the new fender on. Honestly, personally, it's the same color as the Unos fender over there, but it looks so much better. Obviously, like, we mocked it up and everything. It's slightly bolted on, but there's still that gap here, and obviously the hood's not all the way down yet, or we didn't push it down. We can still open it up, but it looks so much better not to have that stupid
basically turn signal thing that the Uno's fender has. But pop the wheel back on there, and also we got the inner fender back in. Obviously we still have to put some clips in right here. You guys can see right here is like, look at that. Crazy difference. It makes the car, the front end of the car, look so much more mean. But this is similar to what we would do with these, is just black them out instead of this is a clear look. So we're gonna unbox these things, take them out, take these off, take the front bumper off, install these bad boys. All right, this is gonna be the ultimate test here. Plugged it in, see if they work. Oh shoot, dude. Hey, they work, dude. Oh, we got the car all buttoned up. These things look pretty sweet. They make it look so much more aggressive up here. They don't make too many aftermarket front lips that I could find for the NB2 front bumper, but this is kind of like the GV kind of style lip. So pop this off and tap it all the way into the front bumper and see how it looks. All right, boys, well, we did a video installing this thing. Definitely, I have to say, not the best lip. I'll link it down in the description below. It's pretty cheap. I think it's like 70 bucks off Amazon. So we have the Sparco Sprint seats. We have 2 of them. The other one's obviously not here, it's down in the basement. And we also have a Sparco steering wheel to match the seats. Also, we had to pick up a hard dog. Obviously for a lot of track events and also even autocross, you have to have a hard dog in there. And also it's just safety feature too. Like, you always want to have a hard dog if you're doing anything like hard driving in a Miata. It's a key safety thing. Man, boy! Got a big wing now. I think it's so sick. These are pretty spicy. Look at everybody else. The end plate, this emblem goes forward, so, and then this is where you can put the flap up here, the gurney flap. So the lights I'm talking about are these blackout LEDs, and I'm sure you guys have seen them before maybe, but they have an LED strip that just goes in here, changing out the stock orange and also red ambers that are on the front and rear of your car. So alright guys, here's the finished product here. I think it doesn't look too bad. Definitely could have done a better job maybe. Like I said, I'm not like a professional rapper. And like you can definitely step on it too, like no problem. Like right here, it's crazy. I think that looks so good, guys. Gosh dang, man. We actually, if you guys have been following the channel a little bit, we bought this thing wrecked. It was hit in the front. You guys can still see it's definitely not perfect at all. There's still some body lines. I would have to get a full new front core support to make it perfect, but so we bought this thing wrecked, needed a new hood, front bumper, and fender and stuff. We slapped some new on, got some new headlights on it too. But oh guys, you could see that I was going for a complete blackout look. The car is definitely not perfect in any means. Like I said, it's a track car, so I really was happy that I was able to find a car that was wrecked and, you know, rebuild this one.